If you're doing a driving test in West Perth, you must have heard that they take you to 30 kilometres an hour zone, which is right here. It starts on the corner, Oxford Street and Leederville Parade, and it goes all the way down past the cafe strip, the corner of Vincent Street, I believe, which is where it finishes. It's not unusual that they bring you down here. It takes only 5 minutes to get from the licensing centre to this particular intersection, and you can recognise it by this pedestrian bridge on the top. We had a few reports in the last couple of weeks that people fail for doing 35, 36 kilometres an hour, and often we get questions, is that how strict they are? Well, if you're doing above 5 kilometres over the speed limit, they will fail on the spot and you will go back to the licensing centre immediately. So just be aware that where you see the 30 sign, there's no, substitute for doing 30, okay? So unfortunately, no matter how lenient and how reasonable the assessor is, you would fail your driving assessment for doing more than 30 kilometres an hour. If you feel that they failed you for doing 30 kilometres an hour, you can lodge in a complaint. They do have, GPS and obviously the speed recorded in the system, but you've got to do it as soon as possible. So don't wait for a week or so. If you want to ensure that that your speed is actually seen by the assessor, you can even say, hey, look, just want to make sure, if you want to lean over to have a look, because some of the cars have a digital speed gauge, so they do sometimes lean over to see if you're doing 30 or above. If you're doing your driving test in West Perth, or if they change in the near future to Subiaco, you must have heard the rumours that they're going to be changing location because the premises lease has expired in West Perth, but they're still going to bring you around here in this area to see if you respect the regulations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.